The life cycle of GMP qualified equipment is not just a series of isolated steps. It's an interconnected process where each stage influences the next. To ensure consistency and quality, it's essential to manage these stages effectively. For example, neglecting preventive maintenance can lead to unexpected equipment deviations. These deviations may trigger unplanned requalification or recalibration, disrupting production schedules and increasing costs. Skipping calibration can lead to inaccurate measurements, which in turn may compromise product quality. Without proper calibration, regulatory audits may uncover compliance issues, leading to warnings or even production shutdowns. And when it's time to retire equipment, proper decommissioning is critical. Failing to do so can result in obsolete equipment contaminating active production areas, increasing the risk of product recalls and regulatory action. This interconnected approach ensures that GMP standards are upheld throughout an equipment's life. By proactively managing each stage, you can prevent costly errors, maintain compliance, and ensure operational excellence.